Welcome to Paradise on Earth. Today we're plunging straight into the sparkling waters of Oak Creek, located partially at a place called Lo Lo Mai Springs, Arizona. At Lo Lo Mai Springs, you can relax, disconnect, and admire the beauty of nature in an exclusive environment. When visiting the Grand Canyon, my family and I were looking for a place that was beautiful and relaxing, but also a place that was located in a convenient place to experience the sights, sounds, and tastes of Arizona. We found a place called Lo Lo Mai Springs Resort and decided to give it a try. One thing we liked was its relative proximity to so many different beautiful places that we had on our visiting list, including the Grand Canyon, Phoenix, Shiprock Rock Formation, Verde Canyon Railroad, Walnut Canyon National Monument, and many others. Regardless of how far you're willing to drive, you don't have to travel too far from this area to find spectacular scenery. We were thrilled when we realized that our RV site was located just a few steps away from the beautiful Oak Creek, which runs straight through the property. It was almost like camping out in the wild, but with the comforts and conveniences of civilization. If you're traveling to central Arizona, this is at least one place where you might consider staying at for at least a night or two. I hope you enjoyed my review of this place. This video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. It's just what my family and I experienced when we visited. If you're a tourist, road tripper, or any other kind of human being that will be traveling through Arizona, I hope you found the video useful and enjoyable. Thanks for coming along for the ride. I hope to see you on the next video. Hi, this is Mauricio from Explore RC. If you liked my content, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And you can also follow me on my Instagram account, Explore RC. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.